So this is a test of the MLGs, detecting a kind of a mesh to try to get the loop edge. So this is the mesh that we have here. You see it's rolled up, it's pretty easy to see, but whenever you roll it out, not so much. So we're going to see if we can detect the bottom of a loop of this with the MLGs. So really the only thing I did is I came in here and I put them in transparent mode to see if we go in standard mode and I teach them. I don't think it'll be as reliable. Definitely won't see one layer, and two is kind of spotty. So I'm going to go ahead and just put these in transparent mode, and we're going to crank them all the way up for 10% absorption. Now, one key factor to note on this is there is a note down here that the minimum attenuation depends on the distance between the transmitter and receiver. So the distance between the two sticks. And where we look at that is here where it's noted in the manual. So this is attenuation, and depending on what type you get, there's a couple different ranges that we can get. So depending on how far they're going to be out, we want to just select the MLGs with the correct amount of range in between them. So we've got a 14.5 meter, 8.5. So look at this graph. If I'm going to be 14.5 meters or way out, then that's going to be the best one, because I put it 10% attenuation, then it follows this all the way through. But if I got a 2 meter stick, so you see here, this is this line here, so the attenuation is going to crank up pretty quick when it gets to that 2 meters. So definitely think about this when determining which part number you're going for. So anyway, I've already got these towed in. I put them in transparent mode, 10% attenuation, and you see if I just do half of it, it actually picks it up pretty good with just one layer. But if I go with 2 layers, then there's no problem with knowing where this target is at. If I kind of stretch it out here, making a small loop, so really no issue detecting this. Again, like I said, that's just looking at the width of this, and it's actually picking it up. Okay, I saw a little flicker there. Anytime you can put something at an angle like this, it's going to be better. But anyway, looks like it works out pretty good. Hope this helps, and let us know if you have any questions.